There we go. Well, just scooted down the hill, through the station. Now I'm in the station bike storage. A really useful part of Sheffield for me and anybody who has 3 bikes and lives near the station. These are my bikes. Everyday bike, road bike. Tires could do with some air. Got my awesome bike. The thing I like about this bike, you can make it either freewheel or fixed wheel. Just line up these holes with these holes, put a bolt through, there's 6 of them all the way around, and then it fixes the hub to the wheel, so it becomes a fixed wheel bike. You can use it either way. I like to use it freewheel when I'm going around town, going downhill, and sometimes I like to use it fixed wheel. Just locked up the scooter. Bit more air. Specsavers said my eyes are wrong. Apparently my eyes go to the side a bit or something. So, I need new glasses. This morning I got my GoPro Hero7 Black. This is the box it came in, it's very nice. I'm using it to film right now. And I also got a lot of other bits to go with it. In the box I got these nice stickers. These I think you can peel the backs off and stick them onto things, maybe, I don't know, whatever you want. Micro SD card, adapter for it. These are really tiny little things. USB-C. Oh yeah, in the box as well, there was this little thing here, and it says remove, but I don't know what to remove it from because it's not on anything, and maybe I broke something, I don't know. Everything looks fine. I purchased an extra battery because I heard the battery life isn't very good, and I've only just used it once and I already agree with that. And then I got this whole thing here. It's called a shorty, and it extends and it also becomes a tripod. GoPro goes on top just there. You can film yourself while you're walking along. Just like this. And what else did I get with it? I got this clip. Stick it onto something. GoPro's nice and secure, clamped on top of there. Put it on your bike handlebars. Put it on the front of your skateboard. Pretty useful. And I got this bendy thing just here. GoPro goes on one end and the other end can go on one of those sticky mounts, or it can go on onto the clip as well. So you can stick it on something and then this bit bends, put it whatever you want. I got this floating type handle. If you're scuba diving, if you're snorkeling, and then it will float to the surface. That's very nice, and it floats this way up. Apparently I haven't used it yet, and you can see it bobbing around. Handy dildo as well. The suction cup comes in this nice little bag. So here it is, and I tried this, stuck it onto the front of the car. It doesn't seem like it's coming off. And this window now, push it in, lock it with that, that's going nowhere. Even if you might break the plastic, but I'm not getting it off. All these little bits that help you put your GoPro different angles. I think the bendy, what they call the gooseneck, this bit, I don't think that's gonna work on the, you know, if you're driving along. So you need these secure attachments. They're not as flexible, but I guess that's what you get. The last thing I got, chest strap. Very important if you're, I don't know, skiing or something. Talking to yourself while you're going down the mountain. Have that stored digitally forever. Could be useful. Okay, the last thing I got was this. I'm not happy about this. So the GoPro itself doesn't actually have anywhere to attach a wrist strap or a lanyard. It's just completely smooth. It's got the cage around it that keeps it secure, and you could attach a lanyard to that, but if you take it out, you're not going to be able to attach a lanyard or a strap to it like you would a regular camera. So I thought this would be a good idea, because you put your GoPro inside and then it's just got this bit, you know, you're paying just to have this little plastic bit sticking out to attach something to. £10 for this. The main reason I wanted it was because I lost a waterproof camera in the past and I didn't have it on my wrist properly. I just put it in my pocket. I thought my pocket was securely done up, but it wasn't. I got out the lake, I didn't have my camera. I spent ages trying to look for it. That was the end of that. So I thought this would be something for the GoPro, you know, I could swim with it. I could have this around here or maybe around my neck. The problem with this is that I feel like the GoPro could fall out. You know, it's just a big hole in the back. Obviously, so you can see the entire screen, but it's not as secure as having it in the cage. So I think I'd just have it in the cage and have a lanyard, a wrist strap attached to that. Also, this comes apart. I mean, this is so you can do it up behind your neck. Maybe so you don't strangle yourself, but come on, it's supposed to be an action camera. People doing, you know, this is gonna come apart, and I don't want to be. If I'm swimming in the ocean, I think, okay, well, there you go. My GoPro is secure. It's not going anywhere because it's got the silicone case. It could come out of the great big screen-sized, GoPro-sized hole, or, oh, you know, just. So I think I'm going to return this because, you know, what's the point? You know, all this other stuff looks good to me, especially the suction cup. I think this is going to be really cool to use, and this is good for clipping it onto the bike or the scooter or the skateboard, or if you would like to use a tripod, but you know, this little short tripod, it's going to be really low down, and you don't want to carry a big long tripod with you. So what this means is you can just clip it onto a tree, a railing, or the back of a chair, the edge of a table. You know, you can get any angle you want as well with this thing. So I think this is good, but yeah, I'm not too happy about this. I feel like the suction cup a good investment, the bendy thing, not the silicone case. So I couldn't see it properly online on the picture. I thought if I'm giving it to my children to play with. I want it to have, you know, a neck strap so they don't drop it so much, and that'd be useful. But BMX Bandits. Now you know what that looks like. There you go.